All right, so got the pipe welded up there. It looks awful, but I don't care. It's welded up really well. It's a little bit of a funky bend, but it's okay. It's pretty smooth on the inside, I promise. So that's just about it. I'm gonna weld that up there where it won't move eventually. But as you can see, y'all, that is pretty damn exact on what I was trying to do there. I'm going to cut this off flush. You see that's a little higher than it's going to be. No biggie. I'll cut that off flush. I'm trying to kind of pull it back. You can't really see it. Whatever. I'm going to cut it flush back here. For the flange, we'll get the flange on. I've got to get a carbide bit for my rotary tool, like I said, so that I can port match the gasket for the flange to the flange, and I can get the flange welded up to these. I've also got to get a vise. Okay, I've been putting it off for a long time, but I'm going to use a vise to squeeze these square. I'm going to squeeze it on the top, squeeze on the side, squeeze on the top, until I get it as square as I can, as closely matched to this gasket as possible. Then I'll weld it to this, but not until then. So when we get there, we get there. I'll probably tack it into place a little at a time and work my way around, because all this is going to be solid here and a mount here, but there'll be enough play in this thing to have a little give on these flex joints and be removable, which is my main goal. I want this shit to be removable. Can't take it off, I'm going to have a problem. So the removability factor is big for me. Other than that, y'all, I'm feeling pretty good about things. It all went really smoothly. Got a couple good ideas on how I want to mount this to the frame also. Been thinking maybe I'll take a piece of angle iron on this side and on this side, weld it to the flange, and I'll bolt it down here. That'll give it a good support and be removable, like I'm thinking. I'll just cut a square out back here and put a couple nuts on the underside, bolt it on down, no biggie. So, I think I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. Probably going to be it for the night. It's well after 1 a.m. I think it's almost 1:30. Haven't had a shower yet. Got to get up at the normal asshole crack morning time of 5 o'clock. So, I say we wind it down right here. Let me get some tools cleaned up and we'll sign it off. All right. As always, thank you guys for watching. Sorry it takes so long in between videos. You get sick, whatever. I'm also trying to save up a little dough. Got a turbo to buy, which I'll probably be getting here in the next week or so. Which means we got a lot more work to do when that comes. And the computer will be shortly after that. Fuel system after that. Then we'll be able to make this bitch run. Kind of excited. So stick around, y'all. Lots more to come. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the comments. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Till next time, guys. Here's a couple videos for you guys to watch. Catch up on the series. Catch up on the Chinese four-wheeler that my son rides. Got some more stuff coming for it eventually, too. Till then, peace. Hey, y'all. So, I made a really pretty cool video on finishing up this hot side for the turbo. Only, apparently my computer ate it. So whatever. I got some small clips maybe. Anyway, I'm going to try to upload it. A little update. I've got some parts for the trailer also. Going to be working on that and getting it put back together so that we can move some furniture, move some four-wheelers around, take it to the four-wheeler track whenever we need to. All that good jazz. Plus, maybe in a couple days we're ordering the turbo and all the accessories go along with that, plus the ECU and harness. We'll all be getting a hold of that pretty soon. Probably going to be a couple more days on that, but you got to have your finances right first, guys. I don't build anything on this car until I make gradual steps when I'm able to save up the money to get there. So anyway, here's a little bit of stuff I've got recorded. I know it's a crappy video, sorry. And I'll have some more stuff soon. And we'll be back in a day or two to attack some more.